Hello students, in our last video we have discussed about the linear equation in two variables and we have discussed the general form of linear equation in two variables and how to find the coefficient of x and y by converting a given equation into the general form of linear equation. Now today we are going to start the next topic, that is solution of linear equation in two variables. So what is the meaning of solution of the linear equation in two variables? So as we know that the general form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of linear equation in two variables. Now we are going to discuss about solution. So as we have already studied in the chapter polynomial also, we have taken a polynomial, suppose fx is equal to x square minus 2. Then I told you what is the solution of this polynomial, or what is the 0 of the polynomial. 0 means the value of x which satisfies the given equation, or by putting which in the given equation it becomes equal to 0, then that value is called 0 of the polynomial, or also known as root of the polynomial. Similarly, in case of linear equation in two variables, because there are two variables now, x and y, so the values of variable x and y, what is the meaning of solution? The values of x and y which on putting in the linear equation, the values of x and y which on putting in the linear equation in two variables satisfies the equation. Means those values of x and y which on putting in the equation satisfies the equation, then those values are called solution of the linear equation in two variable. Okay, let us take an example. Suppose we have given an equation x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Let us take an example. This is an example. X plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is a linear equation in two variable. Okay. Now if in this equation, if we take, let x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Then if we put these two values in the equation, then we will get 1 plus 1 minus 2, which will be equal to 0. This left hand side, by putting the values in left hand side, so left hand side becomes 1 plus 1 minus 2, which is equal to 0, and right hand side is already given to you, it is 0. It means we get LHS is equal to RHS. It means these two values of x and y, these values will be known as solution of this particular linear equation. Okay, so the values of x and y which on putting in the given equation satisfies the equation, then that particular values are known as solution of the linear equation. Clear? Now, how to find the solution and how many solution will be there in a linear equation. So this was just an example. We have taken x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Similarly, in the same equation, we can also take x is equal to 2 and y is equal to, what can be taken as y? If we take x is equal to 2, then y will be equal to 0. You can check it. If you put x equal to 2, it will be 2 plus 0 minus 2, that will be equal to 0. So this is also the solution of this equation. X equal to 2 and y equal to 0 is also a solution of this equation. X equal to 1, y equal to 1 is also a solution. Similarly, if we put x equal to 0 and y is equal to 2, then also it will be satisfied. 0 plus 2 minus 2, that will be equal to 0. Okay, so in this way there will be many solution, or we can say infinite solution. Infinite values can be there. If we take any value of x, then with respect to that x we can get another value of y, and so that's why there will be infinite number of solutions of a single linear equation. Okay, so note it down. This is the most important point. how many solutions are there in a single linear equation in two variable? So there are infinite solution. There are infinite solution of a linear equation in two variables. There will be infinite solution. Okay, we will discuss it later on how to find the solution. We can get different solution, and that those different solution may be infinite in numbers. Okay, so we have taken just an example. You can find some more solution also. If we take x is equal to 3, then the value of y will be equal to -1. Okay, then you can check it. It will be 3 -1 -2, that will be equal to 0. So this is also a solution of this equation. So you can see here, this is first solution, second, third and fourth. So there are different solutions, and I told you as there are infinite number of solutions in a single linear equation in two variables. Okay. Now as we have discussed in our coordinate geometry, we have studied about ordered pair. In coordinate geometry, we have discussed about ordered pair. What is ordered pair? These are the values of x and y coordinate. Okay, so you can see here in this linear equation in two variables, there are two variables x and y. So we can take x coordinate and y coordinate. It means we can say that in a pair of linear equation in two variable, the values of ordered pair x and y which satisfy the given equation is called solution. This is another definition of solution. You can define it in terms of ordered pair also, or simply the previous definition which I already told you, the values of x and y which satisfies the linear equation are called solution, or we can say the ordered pair which satisfy the given equation is called solution. Okay, so this is the meaning of solution of linear equation in two variables. There are infinite number of solution of a linear equation in two variables. Clear? Now, how to find the solution of any linear equation? So here I just taken these examples by hit and trial method. I've taken just the values and put it and we get the answer. But how will you find the solution from a given equation? How to find solution of linear equation? How to find the solution of a linear equation? So what is the method to find the solution? The method to find different solution or infinite solutions. So let us take an example. Suppose we have given an equation 2x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, we have taken just an example. So we have to find, suppose we have given the question, find 3 solution of this equation. Find 3 solution of this equation. So we have to find 3 solutions. So how will you solve it? How will you find the number of solution? So the simple method to find the number of solution. You just put the values of variable x by yourself and you will get the value of y with respect to that particular value of x, and that set of ordered pair will be the solution of those particular equation. Look here, if x equal to 0, always start putting the variable x from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. You can take different values. So if we put x equal to 0 in this equation, then we will get 2 into 0 plus y minus 3 equals to 0. Because what is the meaning of solution? Which satisfies the equation. It means by putting x equal to 0 in this equation and the value of y which is satisfying this equation, then it will be equal to 0. Equation will be satisfied. So I just put it x equal to 0. Then we will get 2 into 0, it will be 0. So we will get y minus 3 equal to 0. So y will be equal to 3. So for x equal to 0, the value of y is equal to 3. So we can say 0, 3. You will always write in terms of ordered pair as you write in the coordinate geometry. So 0, 3 is one solution. Is one solution of this equation. Okay, so we get one set of ordered pair 0, 3. If x equal to 0, then y equal to 3, then these two values will be the solution of this equation. You can check it also. If you put here, it will be 0, this will be 3 minus 3, it will also be equal to 0. It means 0, 3 is one solution. Similarly, if you have to find second solution, we will take, let x is equal to 1. First we have taken x equal to 0, then let x equal to 1. So if x equal to 1, then it will be 2 into 1 plus y minus 3 equals to 0. The equation will be satisfied. So we will get y, this is 2 minus 3, that will be minus 1. Y minus 1 equal to 0, or we can get y is equal to 1. So what is the value now? X equal to 1 and y equal to 1. It means we can say 1, 1. This is the ordered pair 1, 1. It is a solution. Is a second solution, or simply you can write is a solution. Clear? So we have first put x equal to 0, we get an ordered pair 0, 3. Then we put x equal to 1, we get the ordered pair 1, 1. The value of x and y both are coming to be 1 for the solution. You can check it also. If you put x equal to 1, this will be 2 into 1, 2. Plus y equals to 1, then 2 plus 1, that will be 3, minus 3, which will be equal to 0. It means equation is satisfied. Clear? Now we have to find the third solution. So we will take, let x equal to 2. We have taken x equal to 0, then x equal to 1, then x equal to 2. You can also take x equal to minus 1. It depends on you. Now let us take x equal to minus 1. Let us take one value with negative sign also. So x equal to minus 1. If we put x equal to minus 1, then it will be 2 into minus 1 plus y minus 3 equals to 0. So it will be minus 2 plus y minus 3 equal to 0. So y minus 5 will be equal to 0, or y will be equal to 5. Now what is the ordered pair? X equal to minus 1, then y equal to 5. So we can say that minus 1, 5 is a solution. So we get three solutions. First solution is 0, 3. Then second solution is 1, 1. And third solution is minus 1, 5. So these are the three solutions of this particular equation. So in this way, you can find the different number of solutions. Whatever is asked in the question, you can find those number of solution by putting value of x yourself, and you will get the value of y. Then the proper set or the ordered pair of x and y will be the solution. Okay, so note it down. Or let us take one more question. This was just an example how to find the number of solution. Now solve some question based on this particular method. Now we have given a question. Equation is 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. Find two solution. Find two solution of this equation. Find two solution of this equation. Okay, so it is written in the general form, or you can write it in general form also. It will be 2x plus 5y plus 0 equal to 0. The constant term is 0. So we have written it, the given equation, in the general form. Now what we have to do? We have to put different values of x, and you will get the different values of y with respect to that x, and then you can find the ordered pair. So first we will take, let x equal to 0. So when x equal to 0, then we will get the equation 2 into 0 plus 5y equals to 0. Then we will get, this is 0, 5y equal to 0. So the value of y will also be 0. So at x equal to 0, y is also 0. It means 0 comma 0 is a solution. This is first ordered pair. When x equal to 0, then y is also 0. So 0 comma 0 is the solution of this equation. Now we have to find second solution. So if we take, let x is equal to 1. Okay, now we are taking x equal to 1. So we will get 2 into 1 plus 5y equals to 0. Now it will be 2 into 1, 2. So we can write it as 5y is equal to minus 2. Taking this 2 to the right hand side. So 0 minus 2, it will be minus 2. So the value of y will be equal to minus 2 upon 5. So at x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2 upon 5. So what will be the solution? Now writing it in terms of ordered pair. So x, that is 1 comma minus 2 by 5 is a solution. 1 comma minus 2 by 5 is a solution. This is our second solution. So we have to find only two solutions. So we have find it out the two solutions. You can find more solution also, but in the question it is given only two solution. So these are the two solution, 0 comma 0 and 1 comma minus 2 by 5. Note it down. If it is asked how many solutions may be possible, then you know for any linear equation in two variables, there are infinite number of solutions possible. So whenever it is asked how many solutions may be possible, then you will answer that there will be infinite number of solutions. Okay. So this is our second question. Now coming to the third question. As you have seen in both the questions, we have finded the solution in terms of x and y, that is ordered pair. And we know how to plot the ordered pair on the Cartesian system we have studied in the coordinate geometry. So the next topic is, we will discuss about the graph of the linear equation. So you have to plot these points which we are getting the solution, whatever are the solutions, the values, the ordered pair of x and y. If we plot all these points on the Cartesian system and we will join all those points, then we will get a straight line that will be the graph of linear equation in two variable. That we will discuss in our next video. Now let us solve some more question. We have given the question 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Find three solution of this equation. Find three solution of this equation. Okay. So if you are not using the concept of linear equation in two variable, then you will simply find only one solution, because it is the linear equation in one variable. If it is only y, then you will simply write it as 3y is equal to minus 4, and y will be equal to minus 4 by 3, and this will be the solution, this will be your answer. But it is not correct, because we are talking about linear equation in two variables. So first, this is not correct for linear equation in two variable. For one variable it is correct, but when it is asked that we have to find three solution, then for a single variable equation only one solution is there. It means three solution or more than two solution are for the linear equation in two variables. It means we have to convert this equation first into the linear equation in two variable, or in the general form. So general form, conversion of linear equation in the general form, we have studied in our previous video. So first we will convert this equation in the general form. So how will you convert? X is not given in this equation, so we will write it as 0x. We have discussed it, how to convert. So it is not in this equation, x is not given, so we will write it as 0x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now this equation is converted into the linear equation in general form. This is the general form of linear equation in two variable. Now we have to find three solutions. So now if we can put the value of x, let x equal to 0, then what will happen? 0 into 0, that will be 0 plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, or we will get 3y is equal to minus 4, or y will be equal to minus 4 by 3. It means at x equal to 0, y is equal to minus 4 by 3. So the ordered pair is 0 comma minus 4 by 3 is a solution. Okay. Similarly, we can put another value of x. Let x is equal to 1. So when we put x equal to 1, then also 0 into 1, it will be 0. 0 into 1 plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. So 0 into 1 will be again 0 plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, or we will get 3y is equal to minus 4, or y is equal to minus 4 by 3. So again at x is equal to 1, the value of y is minus 4 by 3. So what is the ordered pair now? Our ordered pair is 1 comma minus 4 by 3. So this is our second solution of the equation. So this is our first solution, 0 comma minus 4 by 3. Then 1 comma minus 4 by 3 is second solution. Okay. Now we have to find one more solution. We have to find three solutions. So now let us take another value. Let x is equal to, we have taken x equal to 0, x equal to 1. Now we are taking x equal to 2. So if you put x is equal to 2 in this equation, then again it will be 0 into 2 plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. 0 into 2, it will be 0. So we will get 3y plus 4 equal to 0, or 3y is equal to minus 4, or the value of y will be equal to minus 4 by 3. Clear? So again, what will be the ordered pair? The value of x is 2, value of y is minus 4 by 3. So answer will be 2 comma minus 4 by 3. It is a solution. So we have got all the three solutions. The first solution is 0 comma minus 4 by 3. Second solution is 1 comma minus 4 by 3. And third solution is 2 comma minus 4 by 3. Okay. So whenever the equation is given in such a form which is not in the general form, if the term of x is not given or the term of y is not given, then the first thing is that you have to convert that equation into the general form of linear equation in two variable. Then you will solve it as we have solved all the questions. Put the values of x and you will get the values of y. Then write the ordered pair. That will be the solution. Okay. So note it down. Now let us solve one more question. Now the question is, find the value of k. Find value of k if 3, 4 is a solution of equation 5x minus 2y is equal to k. And then find one more solution of the same equation. Okay, so we have to find the value of k in this equation, and given that 3, 4 is a solution of this particular equation. So first, what is given us the equation? The equation is 5x minus 2y is equal to k. This is the equation which is given to us. And what is solution? Solution is 3, 4. So as we all know, what is the meaning of solution? It is the ordered pair x, y. It means the first term is the value of x and second is the value of y. It means we have given the value of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. And this is the solution of this equation. It means these values of x and y will satisfy this equation. What is the meaning of solution? The values of x and y which satisfies the given equation. It means these values of x and y will satisfy this equation. So simply we will put x equal to 3 and y equal to 4. Put x equal to 3 and y equal to 4 in given equation. So by putting, we will get 5 into 3 minus 2 into 4, it is equal to k. So it will be 5 is a 15 minus 8 is equal to k, or we can get the value of k is equal to 7. So this is the value of k. Okay, so first we have to find the value of k. We have found it out, k is equal to 7. Now the second part is, then find one more solution of the equation. So what is the equation? Equation is given to us 5x minus 2y is equal to, now it was k. We have found out the value of k. So we will put it here. It will be 5x minus 2y is equal to 7. Okay. Now we have to find one more solution. 3, 4 is given. It is the one solution. We have to find another solution. So we all know how to find the solution. We will put, let x is equal to, we start from 0. So let x equal to 0. So on putting x equal to 0, we will get 5 into 0 minus 2y is equal to 7. So it will be minus 2y is equal to 7, or y will be equal to minus 7 by 2. So the value of x is 0, then y is equal to minus 7 by 2. So what will be the answer? The ordered pair 0, minus 7 by 2 is one more solution. Of this equation. Okay, so this is a different type of question, very simple question. So such type of questions are generally asked in the exam also, when you have to find the value of any unknown and you will be given some solution of the equation. So you have to just put that solution in the equation and you will get the value of unknown. It may be k, a, b, c, or any other number, any other variable also. So note this question. So today we have discussed what is the meaning of solution of linear equation and how to find the solution of linear equation and how to find the value of any unknown from the linear equation if the solutions are given. Okay, so today we will solve the questions based on these topics, these particular problems, and from the next video we are going to start the graph of linear equation in two variable. Okay, we will discuss about the graph, how to plot the graph of linear equation, what will be the shape of those particular graph, and how to find the areas of different linear equations from the graph. That will be our next video in the next topic. So before that you have to complete all these questions.